Full stack. If you also want to become a full stack developer, and if you have some confusions for which type of category of the full stack development I should go, or what are the free and paid best resources for the full stack development, or where should I start my full stack development journey. I swear you, after seeing this video, all your doubts related to the full stack development will be cleared. So without wasting the time, let's get it started. One requirement for the full stack development is the practice. In the one US based research, one thing is comes into the picture: when you learn something online, then you will retain only 5 to 10% from that content. For retaining most of the content from the online resources, you have to just practice side by side and build projects whatever you learn. As you know, in the full stack development, you have the knowledge of the front end, back end, as well as from the database side. There are various categorization into the full stack development. So I have mentioned the most popular 5 categorization of the full stack developments. So let's see one by one what are these categorizations and which technology is used in these categorizations. So first we have to go with the MERN. So in the MERN, we used 4 technologies. First, MongoDB for the database, Express for our backend, React for our front end, and Node for our server side. So in the server side, we use Node. Down 3, these are the frameworks of the JavaScript. So if I talk about the resources for the MERN full stack development, so I have mentioned all the free and the paid resources is for each of these categorizations. So you can go ahead for these courses whatever you want, whether it is free or whether it is paid. So for the free, I have mentioned 3 resources. There is one resource from the free code camp YouTube channel. This is a very good resource. You can start your full stack journey. This is learn the MERN stack full tutorial, and I will provide all the links into the description, so don't worry. You can directly go to these platforms, or you can check these courses on these platforms. You will get all the links related to these courses. In the paid resources, I have mentioned 2 courses. One from Udemy, which is a very good course for the MERN full stack development, and there is one course which is provided on the Coursera by the Hong Kong University professor. So if you want to take these Coursera courses, paid Coursera courses, just free of cost, I also made a video on this, how you can take the Coursera courses, paid Coursera courses just free of cost. You can see this video. I will provide the link of this video into the description as well. So this is about the MERN stack development. So our next categorization is the mean stack development. MERN and the mean is approximately same. There is one change into the front end technology, in which we are using the React.js for the front end, and in the mean we are using the Angular in the front end technology. So you can also do that. You can just use these resources to learn MERN, and you can individually learn Angular.js framework for the mean. Or I have also mentioned the courses for the mean development as well. So in which I have mentioned one course for the free MERN CRUD operations. This is also provided by the free code camp, and link you can find in the description. And this is a paid course which you will find on the Udemy for the AngularJS and the NodeJS. So this is totally based upon the mean full stack development. If I talk about the LAMP, then in the LAMP technology there are all the technologies is different, like in which we are using the Linux operating system. Apache is used for the server side programming, and MySQL is a relational database management, relational database in which there we are using the MongoDB as a database, and in the LAMP we are using the MySQL as a database, and the PHP is used for the backend programming as a backend programming language. So all the resources related to the lamp is just free of cost. You will find on the YouTube all the resources, and all the resources is best, and I provided these resources is from the best tutors on the YouTube. So you don't worry about these resources, just go ahead and you can start your courses from these platforms. For the Linux, I have provided a link of this course, Linux terminal commands for the beginners. This is the very best course. For the Apache, I have provided the link for the Apache Kafka for beginners. For the MySQL database, I have provided the link for this. This is a very good YouTube channel, and on this video there are 3 million plus viewers. So you can go ahead and check for this resource for the MySQL database. And for the PHP, I have also provided the YouTube link from the free Codecamp YouTube channel. This is a very best course related to the PHP. I also taken that course, and you will get all the idea related to the PHP from that course. Full stack development with Pythons. In this course, we are using the Python as the programming language, and Django, which is a Python framework for making these web applications from using this Django, and the MySQL as a database. So for the Python, I have provided the link for a YouTube channel. For the YouTube video, you can go ahead, Python tutorial, Python full course for beginners. This is the most popular course, and on that course approximately 24 million views on that course, and this is a fantastic course. You can go ahead for the Python. And for the Django, I have provided the Django course link also. This course is also from the YouTube, so there is no problem for the paid or the free courses. You can go ahead and complete this courses just from the YouTube. And for the MySQL, I have just provided the same course link because this is the best course for the MySQL on the YouTube. And there is another categorization, which is fifth categorization for the full stack development, which is on Ruby on Rails, in which there is a programming language which is used is Ruby, and there is a one framework of the Ruby which is called Ruby on Rails, which is a trending technology, and many of the programmers are using Ruby on Rails in their web applications. For the Ruby, I have provided the course link, as this course link is also from the YouTube. This is the best course for the Ruby. And for the PHP, this is the same link I have provided up here. So you can go ahead and complete this PHP course from here, which is from the free Codecamp. And this is a MySQL. In the MySQL, I have provided the same link, so you can go ahead and complete these courses is for the full stack development. As you can see, there are in the down 3 categorization, there is a common database, MySQL. So MySQL is a very popular relational database which are using for making the web applications nowadays. So you must learn the MySQL because it is a very important database system. So you will get benefit from it in your placement preparation and in your interviews. If I talk about the trending categorization of the full stack development, then the main categorization which are in trend now, there is MERN full stack development and the mean full stack development. Various companies are hiring for the MERN and the mean full stack developers. So if you want to start your full stack journey, then I recommend you should go for the MERN or mean, and you can easily learn these courses. So this is the full stack development full roadmap. You can, if you want, you can also take the screenshot of that, and all the resources is very precisely is delivered into the description, so you can find these links and you can directly go to these platforms. I hope you like this roadmap, and if you like this roadmap, just hit the like button, because I have researched so much to find these resources and mentioned into this video. So if this video is very helpful to you, and if you want to see these types of videos into the future, then you can also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.